Hey everyone! If you're new to DaVinci Resolve and your timeline keeps lagging or having playback issues, especially when you've got a lot going on, this tip is for you. Sometimes you'll notice a section in your timeline that just doesn't play smoothly. Maybe you've stacked up a few effects or edits and now playback is choppy or keeps getting hung up. Here's a quick fix. Click anywhere in the open area of your timeline. Draw a box around the clips that are causing the problem. Right-click and select Render in Place. You can choose any file location you want for the rendered file. Resolve will automatically render those selected clips, and when it's done, playback in that area will be much smoother. If you ever need to go back and make changes to the original clips, just right-click on the rendered section again. Choose Decompose to Original. Now you're back to your original files, ready to edit as needed. That's it. Use Render in Place to keep your timeline running smoothly and your edits frustration-free. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips.